Very few of us are gifted with the skills and talents and expertise to cure disease. And those of us that are not so gifted need to share in their work as much as we can. But all of us are gifted with the skills to heal the sick, to restore a relationship, to promote dignity. This is part and parcel of what it means to be a follower of Christ, to pattern our lives on His. Being able to see Christ in our neighbor who is sick, and having them be able to see Christ in us. That's something that nudges us ever closer to the kingdom of God. For while we may not all be able to cure, we can in fact all care.